Hello guys, welcome in a technology welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial. Check it out, any iPhone battery, either it's dead or functional. So see guys, I have extracted this battery from this iPhone device. Now I would like to check it out, it's functional or not, and if it is dead, then how far it's going to be dead. And also we will examine of this battery internal part. So firstly I am going to check it out, 3.7 volt. I have already set up this multimeter on a especially 20 volt. Now see one thing here guys, it's for DC and this is for AC. So here I have connected 20 volt on DC. Now see guys, here I would like to show you. See here 3.7 volt. So I will check it out by I will place here and here. Now see guys, it's giving how much volt? Less than 1 volt. So let me connect here. Still 1 volt. Now see guys, let me disconnect and I will change the wire. Now 82. So see guys, here less than 1 volt is here. Now see guys, here see guys, here less than 1 volt is giving, so no response. So just I am going to cut here and what is going to be inside here. So I will check it out. So let me cut it. You'll see here some gas is also inside there. So I will check it out, what is inside in this battery. Now see guys, gas has been finally removed. Now just I will cut, I will check it out inside here. Now see guys, here just I will remove. Now see guys, here so there was inside gas especially on it, but now see guys, not gas is now here. So I will check it out inside here. So Now see guys here. Now see guys here, resistant is already here and capacitor is also inside there. Now see guys here, I think it's a diode. So now I will check it out. Volt. So now I will place here. So now see guys here, let me check it out by clicking here. Just I am going to open it also now. Now see guys here, what is inside here. Now see, now see guys here, what is inside here. Smell is coming very bad here. Now let's go further. Now see here, now see guys here, if you would like to repair any battery, of course simply you can change this plate. Now see guys here, there is nothing inside this copper. So let me, I will keep it this on a continuity now. See guys, one wire, copper plate. Second one, I will take it out. In the midst of parts, there is one polythene. Now, I will go for here. Now see guys, I think it's not a copper, might be aluminum or a steel. So it's also one kind of a wire, like that. Now see guys here. Now see. Nothing is inside here now. See guys here. I will check it out. Here. Now. Fine. Now see guys here. I can remove it now. Fine. Now see here. There is nothing. Now I would like to check it out. Fine. I think it's ground and it's earth. So it's for earth and it's for ground. So here inside, if you check it out, there is nothing guys. Now just there was a layer, and now see, nothing is inside. There is also nothing inside. Let me check it out inside what is. So now I will check it out, this one also. So it's a giving continuity. It means this is ground, this is earth. So it's for ground. Now here it has been, and second one point, it's for here, for this plate. So positive and negative plate. Now see, and this is your up part is a carbon. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. If it is informative and knowledgeable, and please don't forget like and subscribe this channel, because this is the thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for enhancing the knowledge in the IT sector field guys. So thank you very much indeed.